Hello, thank you for clicking self-learning. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set the dimension setting and unit setting in Autocad. Let's go to the subject. This time, I am going to use the Autocad 2016 version. Take the new file. From here, get start drawing, and you can open your files, and there's a recent files. Here, open the sheets. You can work with. And I'm going to open the start drawing. Click here. This is my AutoCAD designing area. There's a pivot XY. You can draw here. And first of all, I'm going to set the dimension. I'm going to click here, annotation, here, dimension. You can click this arrow, click here, and you can get this dimension setting dialog box. I'm going to close this one, or you can press simply keyboard D, enter, and you can get here. You can see the command here, D, and press enter. You can get the here. You can see the standard, and you can modify this one, or you can create a new time. I'm going to modify this one. Click here, modify, and there's a lot of tags here. Click the tabs. First, I'm going to primary units. In here, you can change the dimension units here. Not a drawing units, it's a dimension units. I want to change here. You can, if you use the millimeter plan, you can use the decimal, and you can set the decimal like this, or how many decimal points you need here. And if you're drawing architectural plan, you can use the architectural, or engineering for feet and inches. This time I'm going to use the architectural plan. Architectural, you can use the feet and inches. There's magnetic, and highly recommend for this one 0 feet 0 inches, because the most of engineers and architecture are using this feet and inches. Next, I'm going to text here. Text, you can set your text height here. Text height, you can use the font style also, and I'm going to set here the text height. You can change any height. This time I'm going to change the text height 8 inches. And I'm going to change the arrows and symbols and arrows, and here I'm going to change the arrow size also 8, and then only you can see the arrow size. And after that, I'm going to click line here, lines, this one, the dimension lines offset from origin. I'm going to click here to 8 inches. Here you can see this is a basic setting for the dimension setting. Dimension styles, here you can set OK, and you want to click here to set current. You can see some additional settings here. Again, I'm going to click modify here, and I'm going to click the text. You can change the text styles here, and I'm going to show you how to create the text styles a little bit later. And you can choose the text color here, text fill color, and text color here. You can change the text color also. I'm going to use this one to none, and I'm going to use this one to by layer, because we are going to use this separate layer for these dimensions, and that's why I'm going to use that layer color for these dimensions. And you can use this alignment for the text alignments here. About, if you click about, it's on above, and you can, if you click this outside here, it's on outside. You can change the position below or something. It's a recommended center, and here horizontal, you can get here horizontal left or right. Center is the recommended one. And view direction, you can click the view direction left to right or right to left. This time I'm using left to right. And here the next one, I'm going to click this one, symbols and arrows, and you can click here to change this arrow designs. There's a lot of arrow designs here. You can click this one here, you can change the arrow designs. You can click the center point, the showing center point, no mark, mark, line. We are using always the mark, or if you need, you can use the line or none, and I recommend for mark. Here in this, the last one, the lines. You can change the line designs for this dimension. Line color, you can click the line color for here. Here line types, you can use the other, and you can load the lines, the dash lines, different lines. Click OK. You can get this one. OK here. It's going to change the line design. I'm going to change the by layer, and line width. You can change the line width also. This time I'm going to by layer. Keep it by layer, and you can change the line type here. The dim line one. This one. And you can change the line sizes and types like that, the before line, and you can change the dim line 2, this, and I'm going to click OK and set current and close here, and I'm going to draw some line here. Click the line tool, draw a 10 feet line, and I'm going to draw here and type the 10 feet. Here you can see the command bar here, 10 feet, and if I press enter, it's not applying because we are not setting the edge unit for the feet and inches. If you draw a line, you can measure. Okay, here, and I'm going to measure this one here, 12 feet 2 inches line, but we can't draw the line using the feet and inches. It's 1 millimeter plan. Okay, if you type 2000, enter here, it's come 2000. And we are going to change the, now we are going to change units, housing units. Here, type in the keyboard UN, enter, and you get the units dialog box, drawing units. And you can change here architectural feet and inches, or if you use the decimal plan, millimeter plan, you can use the decimal and millimeters, and you can change the millimeter also here. Now this time I'm going to change architectural feet and inches and click OK, or you can click here the AutoCAD button, drawing units, and click the units, same dialog box. And I'm going to click here, and now this time I'm going to type 10 feet, enter. Now I'm going to check here, this 10 feet. If you have any problem, please drop me a comment. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe this page. Thank you for watching.